OpenClaw supports a number of messaging platforms, including WhatsApp, Discord, Slack, and more. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Telegram, because it's one of the easiest to set up with bots and tokens. To get started, I'll instruct it to say, let's set up Telegram. And OpenClaw will come back with a set of instructions for you to follow. Your message might look a little different than mine, but the main steps should be about the same. The first thing we need to do is to start a conversation with the bot father on Telegram. So I'll open the Telegram desktop app here, and then I'll search here for the bot father. Click here to open it, and then click Start. Then you can type out to create a new bot, or you can select the command from the list here. Then you need to choose a name for your bot. I'll use something like my email, medicsmediadan10. Then you need to choose a username, and it must end in bot. So I'll use medicsmediadan10 bot. Once your bot is created, BotFather will provide you with an API token. Just like the others, we're going to treat this like a password, and we're not going to share it. Go ahead and copy this token, and then return to your OpenClaw dashboard. Following the instructions, I'll paste that in the chat. Then I'll send this message. After a few messages, OpenClaw will confirm that Telegram is connected and will restart. Now we just need to start our bot, get a pairing code, and paste that here. So let's go back to Telegram and click the link here that BotFather provided to start a conversation with the new bot. Once you've opened that, click Start. Once your bot provides a pairing code, copy that code, return to OpenClaw, and paste your pairing code into the chat. Then go ahead and send that message. Once you get a success message confirming the pairing, let's go back to Telegram once more and test it out. In Telegram, I'll ask if everything is set up, and I'll send it. And if you're connected correctly, you'll get a response right here in Telegram.